Hey guys! Today, we will be using paper trade with Tradingview. Paper trade is a good way to learn how to trade. Paper trading does not incur loss or profit, which means you can build confidence and experience before entering the market. To use Tradingview Paper Trade, you will have to first log into Tradingview. On Tradingview website, click Sign In. You can sign in using Google account, Facebook account or your email. Once you have signed in, click on the watchlist panel on the right. Now, you can select whatever instrument you want to paper trade with Tradingview. There are thousands of instruments you can demo with. We will be paper trading Bitcoin, as crypto market is open 24 hours daily. To do that, select Bitcoin. Once you have selected Bitcoin, choose Trade Now or Full Featured Chart. Your signed-in account will then be connected to Tradingview's paper trading. Click Connect to proceed. Everyone starts with $100,000. To change your amount, click on Settings and select Reset Paper Trading Account. You can set whichever realistic amount that you want to trade with. Your amount will then be reflected on your balance. You can use the order panel to start shorting or buying Bitcoin. If you do not see this, click on the order panel icon. You can use market, limit, or stop order to long, or short Bitcoin. We will now short Bitcoin, at market rate. I will change the chart to 4 hours for better entry. So, once you have determined the rate to short, click on Sell button. You will be able to see your position which you have just shorted. Your average fill price and your profit will also be displayed real time. Your same positions will also be displayed on the graph. To close any position, right-click on the position, and select Close Position. Your profit or loss will be reflected on your account balance. We hope this tutorial helps you. Feel free to use our affiliate link to sign up for Tradingview's account. And don't forget to click the like button.